Hello, everyone. Welcome to our English lesson today. My name is Mr. Only, and I am very happy to see you here. Learning English is a journey that takes time and practice. Today, we are going to learn how to buy fruit at a market. We will talk about how to ask for prices and how to pay for your items. Sarah is here with me to help you practice. We want you to listen carefully and repeat the words after us. Speaking English slowly and clearly is the best way to learn. Do not worry about making mistakes. Every mistake is a step toward getting better. Sarah, are you ready to start our lesson today?
Yes, Mr. Only, I am ready. Hello, students. My name is Sarah. Today, we are at a local fruit market. The market is very busy and there are many beautiful fruits. There are red apples, yellow bananas, and oranges. When you go to a market, you need to know what to say to the seller. You need to know how to ask how much something costs. You also need to know how to pay with money or a card. Mr. Only and I will show you how to do this in a very simple way. Please listen to our conversation. We will use simple words so you can understand everything. Let us begin our practice together.
Good morning, Sarah. It is a beautiful day at the market today. Look at all these fresh fruits.
Good morning, Mr. Only. Yes, the fruit looks very delicious today. I want to buy some fruit from my house. What should we look at first?
Let us look at the apples first, Sarah. These apples look very red and very shiny. Do you like red apples, Sarah?
I love red apples, Mr. Only. They are my favorite fruit. Excuse me, how much are these red apples?
Let me check the sign, Sarah. The sign says the red apples are $2 for 1 kilogram. Is $2 a good price for you, Sarah?
$2 for 1 kilogram is a very good price, Mr. Only. I would like to buy 2 kilograms of red apples. Mr. Only, can you help me put them in a bag?
Of course, Sarah. I will put the red apples in this plastic bag for you. 1 apple, 2 apples, 3 apples. Here are your apples, Sarah.
Thank you, Mr. Only. Now I also want to buy some bananas. I see some yellow bananas over there. Mr. Only, do you like bananas?
Yes, Sarah. I like bananas very much. They are very healthy. Let us go to the banana stand. Sarah, look at these bananas. They are very yellow.
They look very sweet, Mr. Only. I want to ask the price. How much did the bananas cost today, Mr. Only?
The bananas cost $1 for 1 bunch, Sarah. 1 bunch has 6 bananas. Is 1 bunch enough for you, Sarah?
1 bunch is not enough, Mr. Only. I have a big family. I think I need 3 bunches of bananas. Mr. Only, do you think 3 bunches is too many?
No, Sarah. 3 bunches is perfect. If you have a big family, they will eat them quickly. I will take 3 bunches for you, Sarah.
Thank you, Mr. Only. So we have apples and we have bananas. Now I need some oranges. I want to make orange juice. Mr. Only, do you see any oranges?
Yes, Sarah. The oranges are right behind the bananas. These oranges are very big. I think they will have a lot of juice inside.
I hope so, Mr. Only. I need to know the price of the oranges. Mr. Only, can you see the price tag on the oranges?
The price tag says the oranges are 50 cents each, Sarah. That is 50 cents for 1 orange. How many oranges do you want, Sarah?
If they are 50 cents each, I will take 10 oranges, Mr. Only. 10 oranges will make a lot of juice. Mr. Only, can you calculate the total for the oranges?
Let me see, Sarah. 10 oranges at 50 cents each will be $5. $5 for 10 oranges. Does that sound correct to you, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only, that is correct. $5 for the oranges. Now I have apples, bananas, oranges, and I think I need one more thing. I need a watermelon.
A watermelon is a great idea, Sarah.
It is very hot today, and watermelon is very refreshing. Look, Sarah, there is a big watermelon on the table.
That watermelon is very big, Mr. Only. I wonder if it is heavy. How much does a watermelon cost, Mr. Only?
The watermelon is sold by weight, Sarah. It is $1 for every kilogram. We need to put it on the scale to see the weight. Sarah, can you lift it?
It is very heavy, Mr. Only. Please help me put it on the scale. How many kilograms is it, Mr. Only?
The scale says it is 5 kilograms, Sarah. So 5 kilograms at $1 per kilogram means the watermelon is $5. Is $5 okay, Sarah?
$5 is fine, Mr. Only. It is a very big watermelon. Now I have everything I need. I have apples, bananas, oranges, and a watermelon.
You have a lot of fruit, Sarah. Now we must go to the cashier to pay. Are you ready to pay for the fruit, Sarah?
Yes, Mr. Only, I am ready. Let us go to the front. Hello, we want to pay for these fruits. Mr. Only, how much is the total for everything?
Let's add it up, Sarah. The apples were $4, the bananas were $3, the oranges were $5, and the watermelon was $5.
So 4 plus 3 is 7, and 7 plus 5 is 12, and 12 plus 5 is 17. The total is $17, right, Mr. Only?
That is exactly right, Sarah. The total price is $17. Do you have $17 in your purse, Sarah?
I have a $20 bill, Mr. Only. I will give the $20 bill to the seller. Mr. Only, how much change should I get back?
If the price is $17 and you give $20, you should get $3 back, Sarah. 20 minus 17 is 3.
Thank you, Mr. Only. Here is the money. I am giving $20. Thank you for the change. I got $3 back. Everything is correct.
You did a great job, Sarah. Buying fruit is easy when you know the words. Do you want to carry the bags, Sarah?
They are a bit heavy, Mr. Only. Could you please help me carry the watermelon and the oranges? I will carry the apples and the bananas.
I would be happy to help you, Sarah. Let us go home and eat this delicious fruit. You learned a lot today, Sarah.
Thank you, Mr. Only. I feel much more confident speaking English at the market now. Now I will explain some of the sentences we used. When I said, "How much are these?" I was asking for the price. This is a very important sentence. You can use it for anything. You can say, "How much is this apple?" or "How much are these bananas?" Let us practice another way to say it. Mr. Only, how much do I owe you?
That is a good phrase, Sarah. You owe me $5. This means the price is $5. Let us try another role play. Sarah, imagine I am the seller. Hello, Sarah. What would you like to buy today?
Hello, Mr. Only. I would like to buy some grapes. How much is one bag of grapes, Mr. Only?
One bag of grapes is $3, Sarah. Do you want the green grapes or the red grapes?
I want the green grapes, Mr. Only. Here is $5.
Thank you, Sarah. Your change is $2. Have a nice day, Sarah.
You too, Mr. Only. See how easy that was? We use the same patterns. We ask for the price, we choose the item, and we pay the money. Let us try one more. Mr. Only, pretend you are buying strawberries.
Sarah, do you have any fresh strawberries today?
Yes, Mr. Only. These strawberries came in this morning. They are very fresh and sweet.
They look good, Sarah. What is the price for a small box?
A small box of strawberries is $4, Mr. Only. Would you like one box or 2 boxes?
I will take 2 boxes, please, Sarah. That will be $8, correct?
Yes, Mr. Only. $8 for 2 boxes. How would you like to pay?
I will pay with my credit card, Sarah. Do you accept cards here?
Yes, Mr. Only. We accept all major credit cards. Please put your card in the machine. Thank you. Here is your receipt, Mr. Only.
Thank you, Sarah. It is very simple to use a card, too. You just ask, "Do you accept cards?" It is a very useful sentence to remember.
Exactly, Mr. Only. And remember to always be polite. Say please and thank you. It makes the conversation much better. Mr. Only, why don't we review the fruit names one more time?
Good idea, Sarah. We talked about apples, bananas, oranges, watermelons, grapes, and strawberries. These are very common fruits.
When you go to the store, try to say the names out loud. It helps you remember. Mr. Only, do you have any more tips for our students?
Yes, Sarah. My tip is to listen to the numbers. Prices involve numbers. Practice counting from 1 to 100. It will help you when the seller tells you the price.
That is a great tip, Mr. Only. Numbers are very important for shopping.
We have reached the end of our lesson today. Sarah and I are very proud of you for practicing with us. Learning a language is about practicing every day.
Yes, Mr. Only, you did very well today. Please watch this lesson again if you need more practice. We want you to feel happy when you speak English.
Goodbye, Sarah. It was fun shopping with you today.
Goodbye, Mr. Only. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, everyone. You can do it.
Believe in yourself and keep speaking. See you soon.